All right, we have a 2015 Chrysler 200 2.4 liter engine. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil change or maintenance light. And it's fairly simple. We're just going to be using these buttons here on the left of the steering wheel. You're going to want the key on. So press the button once, then press it twice till you see all the lights. The gauges move up. All right, and you should see the message. You scroll through here. Sometimes it comes up, sometimes it doesn't. But you're going to want to, oh, there it goes. I just exited out. But hit right on the actual directional pad, and you're going to start getting to vehicle info. Right now, we're looking at tire pressure, coolant temp, trans temp, oil temp. Then we have the oil light. We're going to hold OK. We're going to hold this button. It even says it on there, hold OK to reset. So hold it and just keep holding it down. Then it'll go to 100. Then you can press right, and then right one more time. You're back to tire pressure. And then you can just scroll through and get to your actual miles per hour. All right, that's how you reset it. Always make sure to start it up afterwards, because when you start it up, the messages should redisplay. You see, I still have my airbag light that popped up. You press over, it should go to the next message. And if there's nothing, it goes right to the speedometer. So that's how you reset it on a 2015 Chrysler 200 2.4 liter engine. Have a good one.